Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to search for something from all pins on the Pinterest app when you're using a PC, especially with the newest update. It's quick and easy, and I'll guide you through the steps to make sure you're getting the best results. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you land on the home page, you'll notice the search bar right at the top of the screen. This is where all the magic begins. Click on that search bar to activate it, and then type in whatever you're looking to find. It could be anything from a recipe, home decor idea, fashion inspiration, or DIY projects. Next to the search bar, you'll see different options to filter your search results. Make sure to select all pins. This is a new feature with the recent update that allows you to search through every pin on Pinterest, not just the ones Pinterest's algorithm thinks might be relevant to you. By choosing all pins, you get a comprehensive view that includes all publicly available pins matching your search term. After selecting all pins, hit enter or click the search icon, and Pinterest will instantly display a wide array of pins related to your query. This method is perfect if you want to explore everything Pinterest has on a topic without limitations. It's especially useful for in-depth research, or when you want to avoid missing out on pins that might not show up in your personalized feed. That's all there is to it. To recap, open Pinterest on your PC, click on the search bar from the home page, type what you're searching for, and then choose All Pins next to the search bar before running your search. Using this updated feature will enhance your Pinterest browsing experience by broadening your search results to include all pins, making sure nothing amazing slips past you. Give it a try and see how easily you can dive into the vast Pinterest world. Thanks for watching.